welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen. Today we will be doing the January unboxing of my Boxycharm. Yes, it's towards the end of the month. Why, I don't know, but it is, but I have it, so I'm glad. Can't wait to see what's in it. I hope you're excited too. Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription where you get 4 to 5 full-size items every month. I cannot wait to see what is in this box. But without further ado, if you're new to my channel, hit like and subscribe and join the Cuban Beauty Familia. Otherwise, let's dig into this box and dig into this video. Promised. Boxycharm. Let's see what's in it. This is not the Boxy Lux. This is the regular Boxycharm $21 a month subscription. Yeah. Okay. It says Boxy and Chill. Okay, so I'll show you that before I start reading the back of it there. And on the back, it just tells you what all's in there and how much everything is. So let's, without further ado, see what's in here. Okay, it always comes in this really nice box, and it always comes in with this egg crate type foam, and it's always real nicely packaged, and it says, "Hello, Charmer." Yeah, I'm not much of a charmer, but hey, whatever. Okay, let's see what we got in here, guys. Okay, I have the Briogeo or Sarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. No sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. Not bad. I guess this is like a leave-in conditioner after you wash your hair. I know that I will be getting this in my Itsy Glam Bag Plus, and I know it will be a full size, as I know this is not a full size. This is the 2 fluid ounce. If I'm wrong, I'll let you know when I get my Itsy Glam Bag, but I'm not sure that I'm wrong. The next thing I have in here is the Pores No More Luminizing Primer by Dr. Brandt. Dr. Brandt is not cruelty-free, but I do like Dr. Brandt products. So I'm rather excited to get that. That I do know is a full-size product. Again, this is apply on clean, moisturized skin, using alone for a natural bounce of light on the skin or under makeup for prep your skin for flawless application, morning or night. Worth a try. I don't wear makeup much. I do. Not, I mean, when I go to work, I don't really feel like putting it on in the morning because I'm going to have to get up earlier than I like to get up, so sorry. Okay, and for those of you that saw my Ipsy video, you know I got a BDB makeup foundation brush. This is a $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil, and it appears to be in the color brown, I believe, which, yeah, doesn't... It will work for my eyebrows, even though my hair is bleached blonde. Let's see. Oh, it's kind of pretty. It's a pretty brown. It'll work. I like that. We'll try it. It can't hurt to try. And it comes with a very nice spoolie on the end. I like that spoolie on the end. That's a good one. We'll give that one a try. Next thing I'm seeing in here is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. So I have 2 face masks. I'm interested in using these. I saw Yosef post these to his Instagram, so I'm quite interested in seeing how those work, to be honest with you. And last but not least, I think that's everything, yeah. I just always check around in case something got thrown somewhere, is the Ofra Long-Lasting Liquid Fever in Miami Fever. Ooh la la. I lived in Miami as a kid, Miami, Florida, so anything Miami I like. I still have family there too, but, well, I haven't seen them in eons, so... And it's kind of like a burnt sienna color. Very pretty. I like that. I don't know what kind of look I'd wear with that. But I like it. It's pretty. I'll try it. So let's go through this and see how much everything cost. The Briogeo Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioner in a 2-ounce spray is the retail price of $12. It's a little high for just a little $2-ounce bottle. But hey, who am I to judge? The Ofra lipstick I just showed y'all in the Miami Fever, which was this one, came out with a retail price of $12. So far, we're up to $32. And the box is $21. Oh, I forgot to show y'all. There is one more thing. I got the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow, which is really cool because I have Volume 2. So I'd like to see what Volume 3 is. Ooh, that's pretty. I love the packaging of Tarte. Tarte has beautiful packaging. And that's the packaging for the outside. I forgot this was in there. I'm sorry. I wouldn't have remembered had I not looked at the card. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's very similar to the one that I have. Except I think the one that I have is has a little bit darker colors. I'll show you. There's a big mirror on it. And I'll show you a comparison to it in just a moment. Those are the colors on it. The colors are called Escape, Tiki, Heatwave, Malibu, Rays, Compass, Jewel, and Treasure. Again, these are supposed to be for the ocean, and those are gorgeous colors. Let's see there. There you go. Now you can see them a little better. Those are gorgeous. I like that. And that one retails for $36. So there alone, we've got $48 worth of products in just the lipstick, the conditioning spray, and the eyeshadow palette. Next is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Masks. For a 2-pack, that's $24. 2 face masks for $24. Good God. Okay, whatever. And last but not least is the BDB, the $1 Billion Brows. That one retails for $18. And for those of you that like to know, I got the box style number 2. I know everybody likes to put those in their videos to see which one they got. So that's my Boxycharm for today, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as I did. I will show you the comparison between these two palettes in just a moment. Let me just move my camera back and I'll show you. Give me 1 minute. I gotta move my table back and everything's on so I don't break anything. Hang on, guys. Let me get the other one out so I can show you. I know it's in here. I've just got to find it amongst all my eyeshadow palettes, which are a ton. One of these days, I need to go through my collection and show you what all I have. So I have so much makeup in here, I don't know what to do with it all. So many eyeshadows. I haven't hit pan on anything yet. I wonder why, because I have too much. Okay, this is the Rainforest of the Sea, Volume 2. This one my husband got for me last year on my birthday. And this is the Rainforest of the Sea by Tarte Rainforest Volume 3. So let's compare them and see how they compare. This one, you can see, has been used quite extensively. It has a lot of darker colors in it than this one does. But let's see. They'll both make a beautiful color eye look together. So see, I'll just do it like that. There's no mirrors we have to worry about blinding you with. This is the new one. This is the one I already owned. So those aren't bad. Those are nice. And I love the size of Tarte's eyeshadow palettes. Those are great. That is fabulous. Those are huge. And I love that Boxycharm did that because I hadn't seen Tarte in anything else, but not an eyeshadow palette wise in any boxes that I received. So that's pretty cool. The only box we're waiting for this month still, there's 2 of them that I'm still awaiting. And that is my Allure box and my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is scheduled to be here on the 26th of this month. So 3 more days. Why it's taking so long, I don't know. But it is. And I can't rush it, obviously. So I'm going to put all this away real quick while I got you here. I'm going to put all my... And I did buy some makeup this weekend, y'all wouldn't believe, by this brand, by Bliss. And let me tell you, oh my God, that makeup is fabulous. The concealer, I got a concealer, I got a foundation, and, oh, an eyeshadow quad. And I tell you what, it is some really awesome makeup. I will be doing a video on that probably this weekend. I have not had time. I wish I had, but I've been sick and been dealing with a lot of pain and a lot of stuff right now, and I've been having a lot going on here lately with my side and my knee all banged up. So yeah, and no, don't worry, nobody beat me up. I did it to myself because I'm a dingbat and a half, and I just can't stay out of my own way, so to speak. I'm always getting in my own way and injuring myself. So that is my Boxycharm for this month and my ear fleek for this month. And I hope you watched both videos and enjoyed them as much as I like making them for y'all. And if y'all see my thumbs down fairy, shake them up a little bit and tell them to lay off the thumbs down for a little while. Just kind of, don't be jerks, okay, guys? We're still on the road to 1K. I have not gotten there yet. Every time I look, every day I look, I'm noticing that I'm losing more and more subscribers, and why, I don't know. But long story short, guys, as soon as I hit 1K and hold it for 7 days, remember I've told you this before, I hit 1K, 7 days, it's a $150 Amazon gift card going out to a lucky someone. And I'm doing an Amazon gift card because I have both male and female people that watch, both males and females that watch me on YouTube, and the gift can go to either one. So thank you for taking time out of your day today to watch my video. And if you're new, consider hitting like and subscribe. And if you're returning, thanks for stopping by again. And I'll see you on the next video. Y'all take care. Besos.